How to transfer money from Coinbase to Pocket Option. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser, click the search box at the top, and type in Pocket Option before pressing Enter. From the search results, click the first link, which will take you to the official Pocket Option website. Once there, you will be asked to log into your Pocket Option account. After logging in, you'll see a screen like this. The next step is to click on the Top Up button located at the top right corner of the screen. For the payment method, choose the cryptocurrency you intend to transfer from your Coinbase account. I'll leave it set to Bitcoin. Then, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer in dollars. If you have a promo code, you can enter it in the box underneath and then click Continue and Pay. You'll be directed to a page where you can either copy the Bitcoin network address to your clipboard or use your camera to scan the QR code. After this, go to Coinbase.com, click the Send button, and select Bitcoin and Bitcoin only. Enter the same amount and simply click Send. Here are some notes to keep in mind. Make sure the exact Bitcoin amount reaches the specified address and use only the Bitcoin network for your transfer. Also, generate a new payment form for each new deposit. Failing to meet one of these requirements may result in the loss of funds. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.